In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo changes in the Mailchimp email editor. By the end, you'll feel confident correcting mistakes quickly and keeping your email design on track without stress. First, open your Mailchimp account. Launch your browser, go to the Mailchimp website, and sign in so you're looking at your dashboard. Give the page a second to load fully. The editor tools work best once everything is ready. Next, head to Campaigns. You'll find Campaigns in the main navigation. This is where all your email projects live, whether they're drafts or scheduled sends. Open the area where your current email campaign is stored so you can get into the design workspace. Now, open your email. Click the campaign you want to edit, then choose Design Email. This takes you into the email editor where you can modify text, images, buttons, and layout. Once you see the editor toolbar and your content blocks, you're in the right place. From here, every change you make, typing, formatting, moving blocks, can be undone or redone as needed. To undo changes, click the Undo icon, the curved arrow pointing left, on the editor toolbar. Each click removes the most recent action, one step at a time. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for speed. Press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. Make sure your cursor is active inside the editor when you use shortcuts. That ensures Mailchimp captures the undo in the correct place. Use undo to reverse things like accidental deletions, style tweaks that didn't look right, or a drag-and-drop move that shifted a block too far. To redo changes, click the redo icon, the curved arrow pointing right. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on a Mac. Redo restores the last action you just undid. It's helpful when you've stepped back one change too many and want to bring it right back. Keep in mind, redo works only immediately after an undo. If you make a new edit, the redo queue resets, which is standard behavior in most editors. A quick recap as you work. Undo reverts your last change, and redo brings back an undone change. These tools let you experiment safely. Try a new layout, adjust fonts, or swap images, knowing you can always step backward or forward. Take a moment to get comfortable with the icons and shortcuts, and you'll move through edits with confidence. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable.